Hi, my name is Mick Harris, and I'm a real estate and business attorney here at Tonkon Torp, a leading full-service business law firm in Portland, Oregon, where we're sitting here in the lounge on a beautiful sunny summer afternoon. I'm joined here today with David Petersen and Jackson Lewis. What are some of the points when you're advising clients in their transition planning? What are some of the points you try to make sure they're thinking about and getting ahead of to ideally end up with a smooth transition, avoiding some of the pitfalls and challenges to untangle that David just outlined?
Sure. My team is we are a fiduciary administration company. We manage trusts for families. And one of those transition times is death of a family member, right? That's sort of that's 100% likely to happen to every single one of us. So it is a transition a family is going to have to face. And when they face that transition, they usually have the option to plan for it with the help of wills or trusts or estate planning documents. And those documents are a great general strategy, but they should be tailored to meet the need of the real estate. And the way I think about that is it's basically who owns it and what do they own, right? And in terms of who owns it, what we're talking about is who is making the decisions with respect to the property. Again, if we have that founder who's deeply knowledgeable about the real estate and is an expert in its management and helping it grow and all that, when that person is gone, it may make sense to, there's sort of a couple of categories of typical owners that you might plan for. If it's an operating business, if the real estate supports an operating business, you might have someone in the operating business at least have some ownership or some sense of control over that, because the relationship between the operating business and the real estate may be essential for the health of the operating business. Again, the siloed ownership is a good idea. I think you can achieve both those things. You might choose to have a family member become a trustee or otherwise have management responsibility, especially if that family member has expertise in the family business of real estate. You might choose, sometimes people have trusted employees or management teams that they've worked with all their lives. And those folks can be vested with authority in various ways. Again, the idea is that the owner is planning when they are no longer there to make the best decisions for the business. Presumably, you want the team in place that can make those decisions. And then lastly, you might have an independent trustee make those decisions. And that is particularly valuable where notwithstanding the expertise that may have accumulated in the family, there are family dynamics at play that make it possible that decisions detrimental to the family might be made just because we all have families, right? We all know how that works. So sometimes it's helpful to have an independent third party make those decisions, who's able to retain outside experts and do whatever they need to do to make sure that the decision benefits the beneficiaries of your estate plan.